You know what time it is? It's time for the super massive, amazing, gigantic, epic Rubik's Cube boxing video. Hold it, guys. I meant unboxing, okay? It's not boxing. Guys, hold it, okay? We don't want to destroy any of these new Rubik's Cubes. Really, okay? So, what's up, Epic Cubers? So, as you guys can see, I have a new intro. So definitely check it out, how I made the intro. On the top, there should be an eye icon over here. So just click it. And anyways, let's get into the main part. Unboxing a lot of Rubik's Cubes. So let's jump into it. So you know what? We should count the amount of Rubik's Cubes so we know how many there are. And today, I'm gonna employ a very experimental process that only the brightest minds of this world use. And it's called counting with your brain. But today, we as a group are going to take the step and become counting geniuses, okay? You heard it? Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, we did it! Congratulations, we did it! So some of you might be just asking me, why, Andrew? Why do you have so many of these Thunderclap 4x4s? These MGC 2x2s? And MF3 or S3s? Just why? There's so many! Here's the thing. So some of you guys who have been watching my videos for quite a while would know that I teach kids Rubik's Cubes. So I kind of started like about like a year or so ago. And now the club is getting kind of big. It's called Smart Cube Club. I already bought like a bunch of teaching aids, but it's not enough. So I'm buying a bunch more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Why I have so many cubes over here. So let's unbox it. So also in addition, I'm gonna like move all the cubes to the side so I can actually have a table. So let's do that quickly. So first of all, we're gonna unbox all the 2x2s. And let's do the first one, okay? So you pretty much do this, I believe. Pretty nice hardcover. So, oh, there's also like magnets. That's kind of cool. Since I bought it only for like a couple dollars, that's actually a really amazing deal. Now thinking about it. Okay, it turns about fine, I'll say. Pretty smooth, but I feel like it's a little bit sandy, so it needs a little bit of lube. So I kind of feel like this MGC is gonna become a good cube since it's actually pretty, you know, nice. And it got like magnets. My only concern is like maybe the magnets might like fall off, and that's gonna really suck if that happens. I used to own like the GTS 2M, and the most annoying part of that cube is that the magnets kept on falling off, and I had to like pretty much like do a bunch of maintenance just on the magnets alone, and it's really annoying when that happens. So I really do hope the magnets are actually locked in place over here. actually talking about 2x2s, what kind of 2x2 do you use? So you can answer in the comment section below. And yes, onto our third cube. It's so satisfying just to like open a bunch of these, you know, cubes. Ooh. So I still got 5 more to do, so let me do 2 at once to speed up this a lot. Oh, it doesn't work. I probably need to use this finger. Maybe this finger might help. Oh, this is how you do it. Oh, this is how you do it. There we go. But this will work. There we go. Got all the stuff out and tried to unbox 2 at the same time. It's kind of hard, actually. Come on. Come on. This. Gee. What is so hard about it? There we go. And now this is the easy part. And as you can see on my table, there's a lot of packaging waste. And what you call it is clutter. And what you do with clutter is you... And now I'm going to utilize my newly adopted double unboxing strategy. It's the most epic strategy ever. And you know what time it is? It's time for a very, very intense OH unboxing. Let's go!
One eternity later.
It's coming out! Oh! 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 So I think by this time you should probably know the drill when we have clutter on our desk. What we do is simply... You're welcome. Why did you do this to me, Sony camera? Just why? Goodness, what am I supposed to do with this? Goodness, just look at this. It's literally a potato now. Can I fix? Can I like? What am? This is the only thing I'm like getting right now. Just like quickly focus on this. Oh my goodness, what? Like you can see everything's messed up. You know, without the camera, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to record all those great moments? Well, that's a total bummer. What am I supposed to do with this problem? So now my options are kind of limited, so I can either like try my luck and try to disassemble like the lens, and maybe it might work, like just maybe. But I kind of doubt that's gonna happen. So my second option is more of the obvious one. I can use my GoPro, but at the same time, I feel like it's gonna make it like super crappy, you know? So, you know what? Just to lighten up the mood before I inevitably get my crippling depression that's gonna deprive me of all my happiness, I'm going to do a speed unboxing. You know what? Let's do it. Ah, 22 seconds for one. Okay, ready. "14 seconds! Let's go, let's go. Let's go anyways. Discard that. 15 seconds. Feels really sluggish. Okay. And you see, we got like 5 more of these MF3RS V3s. And what that means is less depression and more world records. We did it. We did what people thought were impossible. We broke the 10-second barrier of unboxing the MF3RS. Now it's kind of getting to the sad and even a little bit depressing part of a, unboxing video. Because we get to unbox the last 5 Rubik's Cubes. Isn't that exciting? So anyways, that about summarizes my whole video. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, because I put in a ton of effort in making all these awesome videos over here. So anyways, bye, Epic Cubers.